What's up guys, in this video we're going to show you guys how to check and replace the cabin air filter in the second generation 2017 and up Mazda CX-5. So the cabin air filter is going to be behind the glove compartment, so the first thing we're going to have to do is empty out everything in the glove compartment. And then we're going to have to remove this glove compartment to get to the cabin air filter. So to lower the glove box, the first thing we need to do is on the right side, we have this dampener, and we need to pull this way. So now that's loose. And next we need to squeeze the two sides of the glove box in at the point of these two plastic fins. And then right here's our cabin air filter, and we simply lift up on this tab and pull out. And so here's the condition of our cabin air filter after about 4,000 miles in 6 months. And you can see that it's still pretty white and clean, but there is some leaves and debris in the filter. So this is good to occasionally, say every few months, open and clean this out. So I'm just going to clean this debris off with a toothbrush here and then pop this one back in. Now, if you do need to replace this, I'll put a link to some replacements below. You can get the Mazda OEM factory one or an aftermarket one. Since this is the cabin air filter, it's just filtering the air going to your cabin. It's not going to affect your engine longevity or performance. So I think either are fine. The cost is going to be somewhere around $20, $25, maybe a little cheaper. The dealer is of course going to charge you a lot more than that. And of course, they're going to recommend you replace it pretty often. So definitely check this out. See if yours is dirty, before you go to the dealer. And now we're just going to put everything back the same way. And I expect it will be maybe 3 or 4 years before this gets dirty enough for me to need to replace it. Of course, that will vary, and I am planning to check it and also kind of clean it out with a toothbrush every 6 months or so. So that's it for this video. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more CX-5 tips and maintenance.